Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers. Today we're going to be working in Excel using the if and the average if functions to evaluate a condition. Let's take a look at our document. We're in our document now, and we're going to calculate how much of the total sales, if the commission is over, if the sales is over $10,000, then each salesperson will get calculated a 2% commission. Let's click on cell G4 to begin, and we can use the insert function, or we can go to more functions, statistical, and check insert function if the particular formula that we need is not there, or the function that we need. Let's click on insert function, and we're going to type in if. That's the function that we need, and we're going to click go. It's going to bring it up, the function that we need. I'm going to select it and click OK. It's highlighted. Brings up our argument. So if F4 is greater than $10,000, if that is true, then we want to calculate a formula, and that's F4 times, we want 2%, and it's going to tell us that it is true. It's over $10,000, and this is the amount of commission at 2% that Trevor would receive. If that condition was false, then we want to show in that cell not applicable. We're going to click OK. We're going to use this same formula, and we're going to drag it, copying it all the way down to row G18. So we see which ones would get commission at 2% for their total sales and which ones that is not applicable to. Let's go to our next formula, and this is the average if. If it's over $3,000, averaging Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, then we want to see what that average amount is for his sales. So we're going to use the more function, statistical, and we're going to go to average if. Here comes our argument, and we want to put in the range. So we're looking at B4 through E4. And my criteria is in these months or quarters, give me an average of the ones that are over $3,000. So the average for those months, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK. It's going to give me that amount. I'm going to drag it down, and if it was not dividable by those months, then you're going to get a 0 because it could not divide. If we look here for Paul Anderson, we can see he Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 was not over $3,000, so we could not get an average over those months. Let's review what we just learned. When we're doing a function, first thing we need to do is verify what type of formula you need to calculate the desired value. Number 2, at the Formula tab, we can select and insert the function or click on More Functions to view additional choices available to us. Once we have calculated the formula, if needed, we can drag or copy the desired formula to all the rows that would need calculation. Hopefully, this video has been helpful for you in utilizing the if and the average if functions in Excel.